I've been some crazy since the day I was born. I've done some things that you just couldn't ignore. It's the chase and the haste of all I adore. But you got me where you want me, so just give me some more. It's like it's just my wild side. It's a state of mind. It's just my wild side. I got a problem being told what to do, but don't forgive me, I won't give it to you. It's the waste of the ways that we try to excuse. I will tell you what I'm feeling and you'll know that it's true. It's like it's just my wild side. It's just a state of mind. It's just my wild side.
Type that go boom.
Where's the
Straight
turbo?
pipe.
Oh, you know, the feeling goes, I can't describe. Oh, you know, the feeling goes, I can't describe. I'll keep on living in the way that I do.
Yeah, you're smile.
Don't you go tell me that I'm failing to choose.
Smiling?
It's the faith and the change that I'm never confused. So you know I'll keep believing all the things that I do. It's like
Whatever you guys want to do, like
it's just my wild side. It's just the state of mind. It's just my wild side. It's like it's just my wild side.
take them apart.
It's just the state of
Daddy's home.
My wife wants to see.
Man, your wife just heard me call you daddy.
Huh?